Hi, I'm Matthew Holma from the World Council for Health. Today, I'm going to talk about a recent article that came out. This came out in April of this year, and it's entitled, "The Novelty of mRNA Viral Vaccines." And so what we present here is an analysis of what was known prior to the emergency authorization of the mRNA vaccines. Now, mRNA COVID-19 vaccines are unprecedented on multiple pathways. First, they are the first approved coronavirus vaccine in humans. And secondly, they are the first of this type of vaccine called the mRNA vaccine. And looking at the record, we know that there has never been a successful coronavirus vaccine in humans. And at the same time, there has never been a successful mRNA vaccine in humans. And so, miraculously, this unlikely combination came together and produced the mRNA COVID-19 vaccines, which were approved based on a few months of clinical trial data. So what did we know about the safety record of mRNA vaccines beforehand? Well, who knows? We have data on less than 400 individuals prior to COVID-19. And, of course, as has come out recently, we had only data on a tiny subset of the total clinical trial group of the COVID-19 mRNA vaccines because, as Josh Gateskow, a criminologist based at the Hebrew University of Jerusalem, has pointed out, the process for making the vaccines in the clinical trial differed from the vaccines that were actually given to people, meaning that the vaccine that was actually given to people was not actually tested in a clinical trial. And, as has been revealed recently, there was issues with DNA contamination of the vaccines which were given widely to people. So, we do not know a lot about mRNA vaccine safety beforehand. Certainly, we know quite a bit more after the fact, and the picture painted by the Vaccine Adverse Events Reporting System, as well as the clinical experience of doctors and as well as the vaccine injured themselves, we can say definitively that these are unsafe products. Also, for coronavirus vaccines, we had issues with antibody-dependent enhancement in some of the clinical trials. As well, there are a few other trials of related coronavirus vaccines in livestock, such as poultry, and these showed issues of, as the virologist Geert van den Bosch has pointed out, these altered the evolutionary trajectory of the coronavirus. In this case, it was the infectious bronchitis virus, which affects avian organisms like birds or chickens. And so, the picture of mRNA coronavirus vaccine safety is, at the very least, it has a very checkered past. And in the present, we see that these things are seemingly unsafe. And so we demand that they be pulled off the market and that a full investigation and full audit of their safety, as well as the conflicts of interest that led to their approval, their disastrous approval, which has led to widespread death and injury, that this be investigated fully by an independent body. So we thank you for your attention and be well.